Hey guys, welcome back to My Tech. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file, formatted the wrong drive, or faced a sudden system crash? We have all been there and it's never fun, but today I have got something that might just save the day. Introducing TenorShare 4D Dig Windows Data Recovery, a powerful, easy to use tool that can recover more than 2000 types of files from your PC, USB drives, SD cards, and even completely crashed systems. Whether if photos, videos, documents, or emails, 4D Dig make the process smooth and stress free. It offers both quick and deep scan modes along with the ability to preview files before recovering them, so you are always in control. And what really makes it stand out, its built-in AI-powered repair features which can even fix corrupted photos and videos during recovery. In the video, we are going to test it out, compare the free and paid variant, and see it's worth your time. So let's get started. You will find the official download link for 4D Windows Data Recovery right in the description box below. Just click on it to head over the official website and download the software directly. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install it on your system, and it's quick and simple process. After installation, open the software and you will be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface that looks something like this. From here, you can begin your recovery journey in just a few clicks. Once you have downloaded 4D Windows Data Recovery from the official link at the top, you will see your local drive list followed by the external drive section where connected USB and other storage devices appear. Below that, there are common location areas that including recycle bin, desktop, and other system folders. And finally, you will find special recovery modes like SD card recovery, data, video recovery, cloud drive, and even crashed PC recovery. One standard feature I will be showing you later in the photo and video repair tool. Yes, this software not only recovers lost data, it can also repair corrupted images and videos all in one place and with just a few clicks. Now let me give you a quick demo using USB data recovery. Let's say your USB drives has been accidentally wiped or important files got corrupted. Don't worry, 4DD can help. First, I am going to delete a few photos and videos from my USB drive and not just send to the recycle bin. I have permanently deleted them. Once that done, I will head back to the 4D home screen. From here, I will select the USB drive from which I deleted the files. The software will now ask what type of files you want to recover. If you have only want to recover your specific types like just image or just videos, you can choose then. After that, simply click scan selected type file and 4D will automatically start the advanced scanning process. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and the size of your files, but usually within 3 to 4 minutes the scan is complete. Once the scan finishes, it shows you a full list of recovery files, even data deleted weeks ago. You can preview files before recovery, which is super helpful. Select the files you want like image, videos, documents, etc. And then click the recover button. Choose a location where you want the files to be restored for the best result. and avoid saving them to the same drive they were deleted from. But in my case, since it was USB, I will restore it back to the same drive. Now you will get two options, recover and repair, and only recover. I will go with the basic recover option for now. Keep in mind, data recovery can take a bite of minute depending on the size of your file. It could be a few minutes or even up to 30 minutes for large data. Once the done, software gives you the option to view the recovered file directly. Just click that and it opens the folder where your files have been restored. As you can see, all my deleted images and videos are now back, and more importantly, and they are fully functional. Sometimes even if a file is recovered, it might still be corrupted and not open properly. But in this case, everything works perfectly. That's the power of 4D Dig. It makes data recovery smooth, easy and effective. Now let's move on to the other highlighting of the software, video and photo repair. Just go to the repair section, upload the corrupted file and let 4D Dig do its magic. After a short wait, it successfully repaired my corrupted video. Let me play it. And as you can see, the video is running smoothly just like new. So that's how easy it is to recover lost data and repair damaged files using Tenorshare 4D Dig. Whether it's an accidentally deletion, whether it's accidental formatting or corrupted files, this tool can handle it all right from the comfort of your home. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my tech and check out the download link in the description. Try to 4D Dig for yourself. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.